Hey guys, welcome back to Healthy Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a balsamic glazed steak with a little bit of quinoa and some fresh jalapeno and tomato salsa. Alright, so all we need here is a little bit of crushed chili, camelina oil, and chili powder. The Mexican one, Mexican chili powder, okay? Some fresh herbs, tomatoes, jalapenos, lemon, garlic, and one Scotch bonnet pepper. Okay, we're gonna just start off by raining down some chili powder onto the steak, making everything nice and coated, a little bit of salt, a couple of sprigs of rosemary, and the crushed chili peppers. Okay, so crushed pimento chili peppers there, a couple of spoonfuls, the camelina oil right over the top, just to make everything incorporate a lot easier. I added some thyme and just a little bit more salt. I crushed up 4 cloves of garlic and a little bit of black pepper. Okay, you just want to get in there and massage everything. I know that the steak looks a little fatty on the end. If you want to, you can just cut that right off. Again, it doesn't bother me. And I just want to bruise the rosemary and just put it all in there and put it aside to marinate. Okay, moving on to our salsa. You're going to cut off the top and the bottom of your tomatoes and then just go along the sides, leaving the middle. You could use that for tomato sauce. It's just too watery for our tomato salsa that we're going for. And you want to just chop up everything. Give it a fine dice or small dice, and then just mince your Scotch bonnet pepper. And I added in jalapenos as well. My cilantro is all cut up. A little bit of lemon juice. Now, you want to make sure you use either your fingers or a small pair of tongs and just pull out the seeds. And I added some lemon zest as well. A little bit more oil, salt, and I put a little bit of chili powder in there just to tie it all in with the whole chili steak thing, balsamic chili steak. You just want to add coconut oil into your skillet or frying pan, make it nice and hot, bring it to a smoke point, and then just add in your beef. These are T-bone steaks. The strip loin and the tenderloin still attached on medium high. And after about a minute or two, actually after about 2 minutes, you just want to flip it over and then finish it for 1 minute on the other side while basting it. This is up to your preference, okay, depending on how long you want it to cook for. I added in my balsamic vinegar, aged balsamic vinegar to deglaze. Came out absolutely beautiful. The smell was very intense. Flavors were really popping. All the juices were flowing. And you could just simply add your salsa over the top and plate it that way and serve it if you'd like. Different variations for different people. Now, the Scotch bonnet pepper wasn't overpowering as some of you may think. It was actually very nice and complimenting for everything that was there. I like spicy food. I like flavored food. I'm not a salt and pepper alone kind of guy. So I like to kick things up a notch. Now for another plating idea, I just simply made a little bit of quinoa, slice up the steak, added it on the top, use a little bit of my jalapeno peppers that were left over, and just some of the pan juices. So just some of the balsamic reduction that was in the pan from the glazing, and just add it like that. Okay, there's just one thing I want to just quickly discuss before I sign off. First and foremost, thank you to everyone who's always been a loyal subscriber. And those of you who are new, thank you as well. I just want to just be clear with everyone that I'm not a nutritionist. I'm not a dietitian. I'm not ever going to claim to be something that I'm not. I just enjoy cooking food. These videos that I do are strictly for fun. They're for me. If I could share it with someone that enjoys it, perfect. Okay? I just look at meal prepping as being something else. I don't look at it as being boiling eggs and cutting up celery and carrot sticks alone. Those are things that complement your meal prep. Those aren't meal prepping in my eyes. If you feel that's what it is for you, that's okay. If you feel boiling chicken or baking a piece of chicken with no seasoning is meal prepping, good for you. But it's not for me. I believe in seasoning my food. I believe in moderation and not just constricting myself to a certain way of cooking food. And that's pretty much what I have to say about that. I just want to clarify, if I say meal prepping, I mean cooking a meal and preparing it. And if you want to portion it off in your little containers to make you happy, fantastic. Okay, thank you all. Again, Healthy Kitchen. If you're new, please hit the subscribe button. If not, leave a comment and cheers.